Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the simple process of activating your Mastercard gift card using the website balance.mastercardgiftcard.com. Just follow these easy steps to get your card up and running in no time. Visit the activation website. Open your web browser and go to the official Mastercard gift card activation page. balance.mastercardgiftcard.com. Enter your card details. Once you are on the website, you will be prompted to enter the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the 3-digit security code, CVV, found on the back of your card. Make sure to enter these details accurately. Provide your personal information. After entering your card details, you will be asked to provide some personal information, such as your name, address, and email. This is necessary for verification purposes. Create a username and password. To secure your card and manage your balance, you will need to create a username and password. Choose something unique and easy to remember, as you'll need it for future logins. Confirm your information. Review all the details you've entered to ensure they are correct. Double-check the card number, expiration date, and your personal information before proceeding. Activate your card. Once everything is correct, click the Activate button to complete the activation process. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your Mastercard gift card is now activated. Check your balance. After activation, you can check your card balance at any time by logging into the website using your username and password. Remember, your card should now be ready to use for online or in-store purchases. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.